And here we go. Here's another little, I guess, peripheral board. You definitely have, I don't know if you can see that, you definitely have some gold over there. Some monolithic capacitors. I've talked about those in the past. They sell for quite a bit. I recently sold about 12 ounces of those for about 80 bucks. There's gold in this connector here, gold in here. You have some IC chips. That's good. Again, some wire. Right. So now let's get to the motherboard. Now you pop this top off. Pretty much the same way you pop the other one off. There you go. Nice and easy. A little bit of trouble here. There we go. I'm getting it. Almost there. Ooh, there you go. Got that piece of plastic out. Now we're going to get access to the motherboard. There's a few more security torque screws. Got your little fan here, heatsink. We're almost here, almost on the motherboard, where most of the supposed scrapping will be done, but as mentioned, don't scrap. Do not scrap this board or anything on it until you know it's not working. So, we finally made it to the board.